What's up everybody, please welcome to my channel, and on today's video we're gonna be creating a date picker in JavaFX. You might need a date picker for several reasons. Let's say you need to get a date of birth from the user or something like that, so this is where you'll learn how to use a date picker. It could be pretty hard to understand, and which is why I created a video dedicated to helping you guys learn how to use a date picker. So let's just name our application date pick for the sake of individuality. Alright, let's go ahead and edit the fxml document in our scene builder application. Let's just delete everything here and let's place a date picker. Okay, there it is. Let's give it an fx id of pick, and let's create a method that will print date. Okay, now that you're done with this, let's just close our scene builder and make controller. Alright, so right now we have to delete this label, and okay, sorry about that, we need to delete this label as well as its method, because we're not going to use that. So this date picker is very simple to use. We're just gonna create our local date. Let's name it day, will be equals to date pick dot get value. Okay, now whatever value that will be in our date pick will be turned into our local date. Okay, let's just right now what you have to do is to import this local date module, and let's make sure that everything is optimized. Alright, now that everything is okay, let's just print our date. Okay, date picked is equals to our local date, which is the alright. It should work just fine, so let's go ahead and print everything. Let's run the application. Need you to watch out for the output here. Okay, so it says the date picked is 2020-02-09, which is the date that we actually picked. Okay, let's pick a different date and see if it will still work for that date as well. Okay, that is working. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to get more videos. I'll see you in our next video.